the Florence Nightingale of Newfoundland, Myra Bennett's untold story. When people speak of Newfoundland's greatest heroes, one name always stands out: Myra Bennett, the Florence Nightingale of Newfoundland. Born in London, England in 1890, she trained as a nurse and midwife at the London Hospital before crossing the Atlantic. In 1921, newly married to Angus Bennett, she arrived in Daniels Harbour, Newfoundland, a remote outport with no hospital, no resident doctor, and almost no access to medical care. For more than 4 decades, the Myra Bennett Newfoundland story became legend. Armed with little more than her black medical bag, she traveled by foot, dogsled, boat, or horseback across the rugged Northern Peninsula. Villagers remembered her trekking through snowstorms or rowing across icy waters to reach patients. She treated injuries, delivered babies, stitched wounds, and even performed emergency surgeries. With no hospital available, her home became a makeshift clinic where life-saving procedures took place in kitchens and living rooms. Her extraordinary service earned her the title Florence Nightingale of Newfoundland. People said that when Nurse Bennett appeared, hope had arrived. While she did not single-handedly create hospitals, her dedication, alongside other outport nurses, drew attention to the desperate need for rural health care. In time, her work helped inspire the expansion of medical facilities across Newfoundland, reshaping the future of healthcare for isolated communities. Recognition followed. In 1935, she was awarded the Order of the British Empire, OBE, for her contribution to medicine in remote Newfoundland. Later, in 1967, Memorial University awarded her an honorary doctorate, acknowledging her lifelong commitment. Despite such honors, she remained humble, always insisting she was simply doing her duty. Even in retirement during the 1960s, she was celebrated as a Canadian nurse hero and symbol of resilience. She lived to be 100, passing away in 1990 in Daniels Harbour, Newfoundland, the community she had served so faithfully. Today, inspirational nurse stories like Myra Bennett's continue to shine worldwide. She didn't just heal wounds, she built trust, hope, and a legacy of healthcare in Newfoundland. For anyone seeking inspiration, the Florence Nightingale of Newfoundland remains one of Canada's most powerful true-life stories. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.